Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's getting dark out. I just pulled up to the spot where we're going to be having our next adventure, and this is what we're working with inside for map lights. It gets the job done, right? It's bright. However, we could do a little bit better. This is just an Amazon aftermarket LED kit, right? If you've been following along, you know. However, I've been seeing the MESO Customs LED kits that they have floating around. This is their dual color map lights. I thought while we're waiting on the dual color dome lights to become available, why not snag some of these, throw them in. So that's what we're doing today. We are going to unbox these bad boys and get them installed. So let's go ahead, let's jump into it. Let's check these out. Let's pull them out here. Inside, they've got it pretty nice and packaged up. But yeah, check that out. All wrapped up nice and neat. Ready to go. Got that block of plastic. Oh, that's a little sticker. Not bad. Got everything here, so it's away. Really nice packaging. Inside, we've got the lights. I can already tell this is going to be so much nicer than just the $10 Amazon kit. Oh man, yeah, this plastic is sweet. So we've got our connections. We're gonna go ahead and jump back into the cab and we'll go ahead get these installed. And again, MESO Customs, they're not a sponsor. I'm not saying that everyone should go out and buy some of these now. I just love sharing gear like this with you guys, sharing a fun little mod. That can work for all of us, right? You can love it, you can hate it, leave it down in the comments, let me know your thoughts. That's not what this video is, right? It's not an ad for these lights. It's just a way for me to share my passion with you and have fun doing a little mod, little fun project like this. So, all right, we're in the truck. We're popping this plastic housing out, and we also need to pop out the reflectors here, and then we take our LED bulb, pull that out just like that, boom, just like that. And then it's got these little clamps. Got our first one installed. We'll do a little quick lapse of doing the second one. Oh man, this is so cool. All right. Isn't it funny just how some lights can be so cool and amazing? All right, let's play around with them. We got them installed. Let's play around. You have your super bright. There we go. Okay. This is the normal setting on the camera. What I noticed about the Amazon LED kit that I had, again, it was super quick, cheap mod, right? I mean, what, 10 to 12 bucks. It was bright and it was like in your face, harsh, bright, if that makes sense. You'd open the door, you could see it got the job done, but at the same time, you're like, oh my gosh. With these, playing around with them a little bit, it's more of a glow and more of a fill the cab kind of look. It's not so like harsher in your face, which I really like. And then we have this button here. Boom. Is it a double click? Let's check it out. No, I was just being weird. Okay, and then we have this red to tie in the look of everything with my red VLED floor well lights down there. Oh man, this is so cool. I know I'll have before and afters for you at the end of the video where it's super dark, pitch black. Right now we have a little bit of light left, so it's not picking it up as much as I can see or I can tell. You guys, this is so freaking cool. I don't care who you are, that is so awesome. Look at the red. Look at the red. Oh man, let's look up the back door too. Got a bunch of crap in here, but boom, red all over the cab. It's going to help with my eyes. It also looks really cool in here now. Follows a theme. A little story time for you. Ever since I had my very first car, I had a footwell LED kit, you know, cheap universal Walmart one, but it was red. And I don't know, it's just followed me through all of my cars, my vehicles, onto the truck now where I have an actual dedicated, dimmable, super cool footwell light. And now I have some even more cool red map lights. Ah, so cool. I know, I'm freaking out, but it's fun. Hope you guys are enjoying this video as well. And I think that's really all we're gonna do and focus on today. It was just really quick video, quick little install, little DIY unboxing and installation for you. I hope you enjoy the before and afters. I hope you find this fun enough to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.